Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to view an old reel that you've shared on Instagram on your PC, thanks to the new update. So, let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, head to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the More icon or the three dots. Next, click on Your Activity to access a section that includes all the content you've shared on Instagram. Now, look for the Photos and Videos section, and then find the Reels section. Here, you'll be able to see all the reels that you have shared in the past. To view your reels from oldest to newest, click on Sort and Filter and choose Oldest to Newest. Once you've selected the sorting option, click on Apply to see your reels in the order you prefer. And there you have it. You can now easily view an old reel that you've shared on Instagram on your PC, thanks to this new update. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.